Today, the Shiba Inu is once again demonstrating its resilience. The price is increasing. Individuals are enthusiastic. Analysts are dropping their most recent signals. Presently, the immediate future appears to be absurd. However, what about the long term? Coinbase has recently disclosed an extensive report. Today, everything altered after more than 7 years of silence. The new all-time peak for the Shiba Inu may be imminent. What is transpiring? In what way does this make sense? Furthermore, what is the subject of my discourse? Well, allow me to elaborate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu is once again demonstrating its remarkable vigor, which is driving its price upward. But pause, it appears that this is not a mere price increase occurring at random. Analysts are asserting that there is a more significant factor at play. The chart of the Shiba Inu is actually indicating that it is preparing for a significant increase. It is evident that Shiba Inu is preparing for a significant event in the coming months, as evidenced by the recent price accumulation when considering the broader context. Shiba Inu experienced a brief decline in price, with a decrease of just over 3%. However, it rapidly rebounded, achieving a robust recovery with a strong advance of over 4% today. Crypto Elite, a renowned analyst, has been closely monitoring the Shiba Inu graph and is currently optimistic. The technicals appear to be in excellent condition, as per their assessment, and if the upward trend persists, Shiba Inu may be on the brink of a tremendous price increase. They anticipate that the token could experience an extraordinary 850% increase from its current position, achieving a new zenith and surpassing its previous all-time high. In the most thrilling aspect, Crypto Elite suggests that this outburst may occur imminently. Shiba Inu is experiencing an increase in enthusiasm as circumstances improve. However, there is a caveat. Although the cost of Shiba Inu appears to be on the rise, there is a complication that requires your attention. An analyst observed that Shiba Inu has regained some significant support. However, the subsequent significant obstacle is a price level that has proven difficult to surpass. Recent price fluctuations are beginning to suggest that this obstacle may be overcome once more. While some may argue that the price of digital currencies is more influenced by sentiment than by actual statistics, the on-chain data suggests otherwise. The Shiba Inu faces a significant challenge in the form of an astounding 65 trillion tokens, which are held by over 200,000 purses at the next level. There is a possibility of a sell-off if holders begin to pay out, as these tokens were acquired at the previous price range. Shiba Inu could experience a significant increase in value if purchasers are able to consume these tokens and continue to drive the price upward. However, those who possess these coins are currently experiencing losses, and there is a genuine possibility that they may begin to sell if the situation does not improve. This has the potential to generate some instability. However, it also establishes the groundwork for a price war that could determine Shiba Inu's subsequent significant move. With this in thoughts, you may still be curious as to the true cause of the price increase. Is there an element that is absent from this discussion? Well, let us step back and examine the broader context. It has been discovered that Bitcoin is also making significant strides. Analysts have observed that Bitcoin's price is increasing as a result of its ongoing ascent. Bitcoin has recently surpassed the $104,000 threshold, achieving a new high that has garnered significant attention. The upward run is gaining momentum, and it is evident that there is more to come. However, this price increase is not an isolated incident. The crypto market is experiencing a robust recovery, characterized by an increase in institutional support and a surge in bullish speculation. This is occurring concurrently with the impending inauguration of President-elect Donald Trump, who is preparing to release an executive order that has the potential to revolutionize the crypto industry. This is a significant development, as it signifies that the United States government will officially acknowledge cryptocurrency as a strategic sector. This will facilitate the participation of industry stakeholders in the development of future policies. This action is significant for the cryptocurrency sector and suggests that the current uptrend may be reviving. As we are aware, Bitcoin's fluctuations tend to influence the entire market, including Shiba Inu. The government's increasing endorsement of cryptocurrency serves as a robust, favorable indicator for all digital currencies. And for Shiba Inu, it could be the ideal occasion for the developers to release new updates, encourage new developments, and maintain the momentum. Shiba Inu and the crypto market may be in for a thrilling future as a result of the convergence of these factors. Although the $100,000 price tag is substantial, there is an even more bizarre circumstance at play. Bitcoin's availability on exchanges has reached a 7-year low for the initial time in history, which has piqued the interest of some. They suggested that it could be indicative of a potential supply disruption. The exchange reserve chart of Bitcoin is currently exhibiting a significant decline, as it is currently at its lowest level in years, with only a small number of currencies available for immediate trading. If there are fewer coins available on exchanges, it typically indicates that there is less immediate liquidity. This is frequently interpreted as a bullish indication, as it implies that investors are not selling their Bitcoins. This has the potential to initiate further upward trends in the market. However, there is a caveat. The current upward trajectory of Bitcoin may be jeopardized if it loses momentum and falls below a critical level of approximately 98,000, which could result in a more significant sell-off. Nevertheless, the current prognosis is optimistic. This is also supported by on-chain data, which indicates that long-term owners are increasing. This further suggests that financiers are confident and are purchasing rather than selling. A supply surge is a plausible scenario, as all of these indicators suggest that Bitcoin's price may rise further. Bitcoin appears to be on the brink of future growth, as evidenced by its strong technicals, increasing investor interest, and low reserves on exchanges. The fervor surrounding these price increases has caused a significant amount of disruption. Additionally, there is some unexpected information. The trading volume of altcoins on Coinbase has recently surged, surpassing that of Bitcoin. CoinGecko data indicates that other altcoin trading pairings have been experiencing significant growth, comprising more than 25% of the trading volume on Coinbase within the past 24 hours. With an astounding quantity of trading activity, exceeding $1.7 billion. Bitcoin's pair is currently in second position, with a trading volume of approximately $1.3 billion. However, it is evident that altcoins have been experiencing significant growth in recent months. This abrupt increase in altcoin trading is indicative of the market's current excitement and may indicate further momentum in the cryptocurrency sector. This is a significant event, particularly for Shiba Inu. Indeed, analysts suggest that we may be approaching the commencement of the altcoin season. The recent increase in the volume of altcoin trading on platforms such as Coinbase is a strong indication that there is a shift in attention toward altcoins, including Shiba Inu. This price surge is a significant indicator for Shiba Inu. Analysts are anticipating that the Shiba Inu is on the brink of a potential all-time peak in the near future. Shiba Inu is exhibiting evident symptoms of recuperation following a brief period of correction, and the community is experiencing an increase in enthusiasm. Real CryptoRoy, an analyst on TradingView, believes that the Shiba Inu has likely reached its local bottom, indicating that the worst may be behind it and that it may be prepared for a bullish move. CryptoRoy has identified a critical resistance stage that Shiba Inu must overcome in order to achieve success. We may witness a test of recent records if Shiba Inu is able to surmount this level and maintain its momentum. What is even more thrilling is that the potential for even greater rallies to occur if Shiba Inu is able to surpass this resistance with robust trading volume, potentially propelling Shiba Inu to fresh all-time highs. The Shiba Inu community is ecstatic about the potential for a significant relocation. It appears that Shiba Inu is on the cusp of a significant development, as the market's attention is now directed toward altcoins and the breed is exhibiting optimistic growth. It is becoming increasingly evident that the Shiba Inu is irrepressible in the long term. Although there are detractors who are beginning to emerge, the Shiba Inu community is not being disturbed. In fact, they are more resolute than ever to disprove the doubters, as Satoshi Kusama recently stated in a tweet. He shared how remarkable it is to observe individuals questioning the status quo and adhering to the same antiquated narratives. He then added, "Observe the narrative evolve as the winds blow. We analyze the vessel and construct it with the highest quality for the future." Right now, this is an apt representation of Shiba Inu's current state. The Shiba Inu crew and society are maintaining their focus, constructing for the future, and maintaining a constant pace of progress, despite any skepticism. The trend is only increasing, as evidenced by the most recent developments and actions. The Shiba Inu is not solely about the hoopla. The focus is on the goal and the strong foundation that is being established. The future of Shiba Inu is promising, as it is poised to continue surprising everyone, thanks to a passionate community and a clear path forward. The narrative is undoubtedly evolving, and Shiba Inu may continue to spearhead the crypto space as the winds of change blow. However, what is your perspective on this matter? Comment in the space provided below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.